Hi guys, today we will talk about how can you fix that problem you have on your Waze app. So all you have to do to fix it, so we'll go to figure out the solution on how you can do that. So just click here on settings here and you come to next step here. Then all you have to do now, so you just go down here and you click here on apps. So and you come to next step here, then you just go down here to looking for your Waze app. So just go down here to find your Waze app here. So then you click on it here and it's going to take you to next step here. Then you just click here on force stop and you click here on OK and you go down here, you click here on storage and you come to storage list here. Then you just click here on clear cache. Then all you have to do now, so just turn off your Wi-Fi and turn on it, then it's going to work with you. So that's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.